So we're back at Yacht Haven Marina, and today is December 10th. We got back after Kevin's family visit, which was fantastic. Did lots of touring of amazing places here in Phuket area, Krabi, a few outer islands. But right now we're doing projects. And one of them is we've removed the box here for locking the platform, because on both sides, because we're going to get them fiberglassed on the top to seal them so they no longer allow water into the engine rooms. The other big thing, see this here, is the SSB antenna, which used to be attached right there. So we're disconnecting it for various reasons, removing it from the boat. It's been sold. So Kevin is now in the process of tracing all of the wires, removing all of the components of this system. And how's it going in there, Kevin?
Well, it's going all right. These are a couple of wires that go to the transmitter.
Yep.
Which I've pulled out.
Yep.
It's not needed and get rid of it. So
Nope.
I'm trying to do that.
Good job. So he's working down there. He's also working through here. And here. And here, so this is where the unit used to be, which is now been taken out. Yeah. So lots of fun. But we're going to explore Phuket this afternoon. We're going to see some things.
Kevin has to get that cable out first.
I know. Why is it taking so long?
I know, right?
Jeez.
It can't be, it's not that hard.
No.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
Difficult.
This is the Chalong Temple.
Your destination is on the left.
Don't lose your shoes. Good morning. Today is December 12th.
Happy anniversary
Happy anniversary!
to Janine. That's to
It's-
Janine,
it's-
not to you.
It's our wedding anniversary. And we've kind of gotten into the habit of doing weird things on our anniversaries.
What did we do last year?
Well, today we're doing STCW, which stands for?
Standards of Training and Certification of Watchkeepers.
That's right.
Good morning.
Good morning. So with the course, we do some firefighting. And yesterday we got suited up and fitted. Today,
we play Buckethead.
here we go.
Wow, there you
Oh
go.
yeah.
That's normally you put your fingers inside, but when it's me, I don't use it.
Fire blanket.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, that's fucking cool.
Next. Yep.
I like the map powder.
Let's go. Forward. Okay. Medium spray firewall. Yep. Turn to medium spray. And just that one is medium spray, okay? And then firewall. There you go. Alright, your turn.
Okay.
Boom.
One line. Come on, follow. You have to communicate, okay? Communication is the best for this activity. Come in, come in. Okay, you may start now. Push the door.
Bye bye.
Push.
Open the hatch.
Steam, crack open the hatch, see the flame. Go flame open all the way.
Two fires. No casualties. Close the hatch.
Casualties and fire. Fire. Close the
Open the
hatch.
hatch.
Okay, open the hatch.
Close the hatch.
Close the hatch.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open the hatch.
2, 3,
Fires.
9,
Cooling the
10.
ladder.
Open the hatch. Light the ladder and wait.
Okay, close the hatch.
Follow the
Like him. Put this one inside. Yeah, you can check.
There you go. You're live.
Alright. you. Four's here.
More fire. Oh, that one was a good one. And team 2 is cooling the outside of the building.
Opening the door. Go. Back out. Door closed. Door's closed. Swap now, swap now. Swap. Swap now. Looking for casualty on the fire. I don't see fire. Close the door.
That's not scary at all.
That's the flashover we're gonna see. Okay.
Okay, come back here, follow the line. Okay, open. Fire's out. And close the door. Going up now, Noah. Let me in the back, come here. Yeah, now you can go up, go around me. Hold the hose! Okay, stop! Stop there!
There we go. I survived.
Yeah, you did it.
60 seconds. Put on the suit.
The Rani. Here. This one, behind, beside front. Go, that one. Start up.
Oh, it's even tall for you.
Face me, please. Okay.
Chicken dance.
So no help. Relax.
Listen up. Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Oh, wait, it gets your feet. This is our lunch today.
I started to send some documents.
Rainwater, see?
Rainwater
You
catcher.
have a plastic inside, normally. Look, everyone. Doing it the right way. 100%.
Woo!
Side. I'm straight. I'm kicking my foot before I start going up.
Next time, we pull the boat apart, getting our hands dirty with lots and lots of boat jobs.
I haven't signed anything.